Yo, what's up? Uh, Supreme Lover here. As you see, Supreme. It's the Supreme box logo there. Supreme Lover here. Um, I'm about to do the craziest Supreme unboxing you've ever seen. Did I mention that this product that we're going to be opening is Supreme? Supreme, because this is some real Supreme right here, boys. So let's just get right into it. This is a lot harder. Maybe if we use the screwdriver. Hey Mitsu, you want to be in the Supreme unboxing? Yo, can you bite this? Mitsu, come back. Come back. You know, it's not easy being a YouTuber that blogs about Supreme like me. You know. Alright. Oh shoot, is that embroidered? Oh my. Yo, this is way sicker than I thought it was. Fuck. So let's pull this bad boy out. You know, we got that Supreme bag, you know. Do we got anything else in here? Hello? Anything else? Doesn't look like it. You know, we got the Supreme bag. I'm gonna cut this out. This is another box logo. See, this is life hacks, right? When you buy Supreme, you get a box logo sticker, right? I got two. Fucking easy, boys. You get the box logo sticker, but then you cut this out, and it's another one, bro. It's fucking DJ Khaled meme or some shit. Alright, so we got the hoodie out. We got nothing in the bag. Oh, we got the Supreme hoodie. This shit's fucking big as fuck. So we got Supreme here. Shit's all embroidered. I thought this was like screen printed on. This shit's fucking sick. Alright, let's open this up. I'm already mad impressed with this. I thought this is gonna suck so bad. Right. It's heavy too. Alright, so we got this hoodie here. It says Supreme Flower, fuck 'em all. 1994, my year of my birth. Then 2017, the year of the death of Supreme. So let's go try. Let's put this bad boy on. Oh, wait, let's check the tags here. Supreme. Does it say made in Canada still, or is that not a thing? Made in Canada, baby. Alright, let's try saucing this bad boy on. That's a pretty good size, I guess. I don't know.